Well, thanks for taking the time to look at how I create a membership site with one click. Now, I use a product or service called KAJABI, which is all-in-one marketing tool, and it's awesome. But I want to show you really quickly how I use KAJABI, which is really awesome, to create products in all my marketing and everything else. But right now, I'm going to demo this sample food membership, but first I'm going to click New Product. And one of my options in here is membership site. Now, when I create this, it's going to create basically a template. So I'm going to say this DEL, which tells me I want to delete this, but I'm just going to say demo membership site. And it does all the work for me. So what it's actually doing behind the scenes is building the layout. So see, here you have, that was pretty quick, right? The layout of a membership site. And you can customize this for how you want. So it has core training, bonus, or resource. So I'm going to go back out, and I haven't done a lot with this sample food membership. This is just to kind of give you an idea. You know, you can add in your pictures. You could say, you know, maybe there's a core piece to your site that you want everybody to have. So mine was about food. So maybe I'm going to welcome them. I'm going to tell them some Instapot accessories. I have an Instapot and I love it. And maybe there's some other basic things in here. But you break this out into categories and add to it as need be. So you might have something that's for live Q&As, you might have something that's like special guides or what have you. It's all in what you want to do. Maybe it's audio too. So just to give you an idea, if I click on one of these, and they're all the same, it's what you name it that matters. You have text and what you want to tell your subscriber. You could add a video here that's maybe it's a lesson, it's a demo, it's whatever you want to put in your video. And then the image, and then you can also add downloads, which is nice. So let's say you had video, but you wanted to add maybe an audio file or your Keynote or PowerPoint presentation or Excel spreadsheet, whatever you wanted to add to it to supplement whatever it is you're giving, you can add it in there too. And you can add multiples. It's not just a one thing. And so what you can then do is you can hide it for a particular point, but make it visible or draft until some particular time frame. So you can get things ready and just make it available when you want. So I'm going to leave this really quickly. And once you have things laid out, and I'm going to show you what I mean by something not being available. I'm going to change this one to draft, and then I'm going to preview it. And so when you preview it, this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's just generic, and you could change your welcome video or what have you. But if I go down here to my food basics, you'll see that that one course that I had, or one lesson, wasn't available. And so that's how you deliver things, maybe monthly or periodically or what have you. You can make it draft. You can always do what they call drip. So maybe it's only available 14 days in whenever somebody subscribes or what have you. So that's outside of the scope of the demo, but all of this is customizable. It doesn't have to look like this, definitely doesn't have to be this color. The layout can be different. There are different themes that you can choose for your product. There's so many things that you can actually go in here and actually customize for what your audience will see. So this is what I was telling you about, different themes. This is the default, and in the top right over here, we can just pick from a selection of themes that are all customizable in how you want your membership site to look. So I hope this gives you an idea of just what's possible with membership sites, whether it's food, you know, dog training, whatever it is. There's so many possibilities, and you can have this become recurring revenue and be just like Netflix. So that's it, and I'll talk to you later.